Interview with a sheep. How you doing, big fella? What's your name? You say your name is Rambo. How you doing, Rambo? Oh, how you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This visit here was the same day of the goat farm visit. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is above. Check out that goat farm visit on the channel. It was over 100 goats. The sheep stock though was not as much. The farmer lost a bunch of sheep last year due to parasites. So he went over there just to assess the stock and do some anti-parasitics. We didn't have a lot of medication left after the goats because I wasn't prepared for that. Remember, we were on a total trip. Total videos will be coming out soon. In comparison to goats, sheep are very easy to work with. You just basically have to grab them. You don't even try to escape much. We only had a few little medication left, but the protocol was pretty standard. Give them an oral medication and an injectable, which combined together to give a complete deworming. See like a little one? Yeah. Look at this one. You just pick them up. If it was the goats, look at that goat video and you can see the hassle we had just to catch one goat. Right here I can catch all these 4-5 sheep without any effort. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. Look at sheep. All around us. I'm soaking wet. Just deworm a bunch of sheep. The rain is coming. Yeah. It rains in Carriacou once a year. Happen to be the time that I'm here.